Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking you inside one of the most impressive fish processing operations in the United States.
Every day, hundreds of commercial fishing vessels like this one set out before dawn.
Keep the tension on that line, we're almost clear.
The American fishing industry employs over 170,000 workers.
We have a strong reading at 40 fathoms. Prepare the nets for deployment on the starboard side. Steady as she goes.
Using advanced sonar technology, fishing crews can locate massive schools of fish.
Watch the cable tension.
45 meters out, heading 090.
We're clear on the starboard side.
Once the net encircles the fish school, the bottom is drawn closed like a purse.
Keep it clear of the block. Heave on that pole. All right, steady as she goes. Keep the pressure steady. Watch the starboard side, easy now.
A successful catch like this represents just a fraction of the 179 million tons of fish processed through American facilities annually.
Salmon, quickly! Cod to the red bin, watch the halibut. Haddock, throw it over. Cod in the green bin, quick now. More ice over here.
Modern fishing fleets operate with remarkable coordination, with vessels sharing information about fish locations.
Keep it moving, lads. Another haul coming through.
The quality of the final product begins here on the vessel, where rapid chilling and careful handling.
We've got about 500 pounds on this layer.
Send down the ice. What you're seeing here is the critical first step in the cold chain. The fish are being sorted by species and immediately packed in ice. As the sun sets over the Pacific, this vessel carries over 80 tons of fresh fish.
Paperwork looks good, Captain. We'll start unloading in 10.
All right, make sure the ice holds.
Vessels. After overnight transit from the fishing grounds, vessels arrive at processing facilities within 18 to 24 hours of catch.
Heave on that bow line. Secure the stern.
Each basket lifts approximately 1,000 pounds of fish at a time.
All right, bring it down easy. Watch the ropes on the left. Clear, set it down now.
Easy now, bring it down slow. Watch the ropes on the left. All right, it's secure, heading to the line.
USDA certified inspectors grade every incoming load, checking for temperature compliance.
All right, keep it moving. Watch the clearance on the right. Clear on this side. Let's get these unloaded.
38 kilos on scale 1.
Confirmed, send that shipment to processing.
Before any worker enters the processing floor, they must complete a rigorous sanitation protocol.
Watch the belt speed, it's jamming again.
I see it, adjusting now.
Colors. This single processing floor can handle up to 2 million pounds of fish per day.
Every fish undergoes a 3-point inspection before processing begins, checking for temperature compliance.
Red tags, tank full. Blue tags, ready for transfer. Clear the green tags. Red tags, tank full. Blue tags, ready for transfer. Clear the green tags.
Mantengan el ritmo. Hay que asegurar que no se amontonen aquí.
From this point forward,
Each fish will travel over 800 feet through various processing stations.
Optical sensors and mechanical graders sort up to 200 fish per minute by size and species.
Skilled filleters can process up to 25 fish per minute, with master technicians achieving near zero waste.
This single filleting line processes over 15,000 pounds of fish per shift, with
Filleting. X-ray guided pin bone removal technology can detect and extract bones as thin as 0.3 millimeters.
We're now at the heart of the operation. What you're seeing behind me is just one of 12 processing lines running simultaneously.
Atsurofe Purukatsui junction point. From this junction point, products are routed to their specific processing destinies.
The ice glazing process applies a protective frozen coating that shields the fish from dehydration and oxidation.
These premium fillets are kept just above freezing for same-day shipping.
Value-added products represent the fastest-growing segment of the seafood industry.
The smoking department operates almost like a separate facility within the plant.
Keep it straight, almost there.
Okay, I've got it. Let's seal it up.
After retort processing, these canned products have a verified shelf life of 5 years or more.
Fish oil extracted here contains omega-3 fatty acids worth over $2,000 per ton on global markets.
Bears. The resulting fish meal is one of the most protein-rich animal feeds available.
Check the weight on this portion, please.
Looks so good for the European shipment.
Sashimi-grade products command premium prices of up to $50 per pound. These sashimi-grade products represent less than 5% of total production.
The surimi is washed and refined, removing fat and odor to create the versatile base used in imitation crab and seafood salads worldwide.
Surimi products represent one of the most efficient uses of fish protein, with lower value fish species, products.
Dr. Chen, your team tests thousands of samples every day.
What are the most critical quality parameters you're monitoring?
Temperature is paramount.
The quality laboratory processes over 500 samples daily, testing for salmonella, listeria.
Every batch of tuna and swordfish undergoes mandatory mercury testing.
This lot is still on hold.
742 just went green. I'm authorizing release.
Features. In the refinement zone, products receive their final quality checks and presentation preparation.
Yeah, that's perfect. Right into the tray.
Check the sheen on those last few. Yeah. Looks good, consistent glaze.
Final inspection catches approximately 2% of products with minor defects, ensuring only the highest quality items reach store shelves. Every package receives a unique lot code linking it to specific catch dates. Automated case erectors form over 50,000 shipping boxes daily, each precisely sized for specific product configurations and
Vision-guided robots can pack 120 packages per minute with 99.9% accuracy. Premium products worth over $100 per box receive manual packing by trained specialists.
Every case passes through 360-degree barcode verification, ensuring complete trackability.
We need 3 more cases for batch 7.
Coming right up. Make sure the labels match.
Industrial stretch wrappers apply over 250% stretch to specialized film.
Confirmed. Readability is perfect. All right, noted. Proceed to storage.
Narrow aisle forklifts can stack pallets over 35 feet high.
Forklift 3, divert to Zone 4 immediately.
We have a priority retrieval at Rack 22B. Acknowledged. Central Control.
Temperature sensors monitor every zone of the warehouse 24/7.
The loading docks operate around the clock, with refrigerated trucks departing every 15 minutes during peak hours.
Pre-cool temperature verified at -10 degrees. Record updated.
The seal number is 45298. Verified on the manifest here.
Confirmed. I've signed for the custody transfer.
Seal number 401K confirmed. All right, seal is good. You're cleared to exit onto the main road.
From this single facility, over 200 trucks depart daily.
Container 405 RTG, bound for Tokyo.
Copy that. Sealing now.
Yes, the phytosanitary certificate is included. Please confirm receipt with the customs broker immediately.
After delivered, export containers maintain temperatures during month-long ocean voyages with real-time GPS and temperature monitoring.
From this yard, Containers travel to major West Coast ports and
This single container holds approximately 40,000 pounds of frozen seafood products worth over $200,000.
Regional distribution centers like this one serve as crucial hubs, breaking down full truckloads into smaller shipments.
A transcription for this 8-second video captures the verbal interactions of workers using a voice-directed picture.
The seafood department represents the final destination in a journey that began on a commercial fishing vessel. Premium sashimi-grade products command prices over $50 per pound at fine dining establishments.
Great chef. For millions of American families, affordable, high-quality seafood is a weekly staple.
Here you go, try this piece.
Thank you. Everything looks delicious.
American seafood products reach consumers on every continent, with exports valued at over $5 billion annually, contributing significantly to the U.S. trade balance.
はい、どうぞどうぞ。アトランティックサーモンですね。これは美味しいね。シャマが乗っていますね。
As the sun sets on another day of production, this facility will have processed over 3 million pounds of fish.
Muy bien, equipo. La meta de esta noche es 20,000 libras de salmón. Hay que mantener la calidad.
Keep that pace up, everyone. We're doing great tonight.
And as a new day dawns, the cycle begins again.
From the pristine waters of the Pacific to the most advanced processing technology available.
What an incredible journey this has been, from the open ocean to your dinner table.